What's up, guys? My name is John, and I got here a 2020 Harley Low Rider S, and obviously it didn't come with saddlebags. So today in this video, I'm gonna be installing saddlebags from Viking Saddlebags. So I was going online trying to find the right saddlebag for my bike, and you know it's hard to pick the right saddlebag. Just it's expensive, right? So I came across Vikingbags, and they do really good deals online. They give you like 20% off here and there. So they hooked me up with these Viper bags. They're called Black Viper. So I got these bags. They're about $687 online, but like I said, they're always giving out discounts. So like $550, you get a pair, and it comes with all the hardware you need. You need to go to the hardware store and get extra hardware for it. It also comes with a relocation kit and 2 keys. I installed one side just to make sure I didn't mess up anything, and it looks great. I love it. What I'm gonna do is install the left side of the bag. So they come with these bolts here, and it goes straight to that bracket, that the factory bracket. So you don't have to put a nut in the back. So that's nice. And as you can see here, I got my measurements. I put this painter's tape on so I won't scratch the paint of the bag. So now we're gonna start drilling these holes. All right. Side. Beautiful. All right, so what I'm gonna do is take your bracket here, your bolt, put that bolt through. All right. Close her up. Then drill the 2 holes. Let me put a nut here so it'll be nice and tight. That socket, 12mm socket. It's right here. Found a 12mm socket. That's what? Hold on. It's a 15. Oh, 9/16. Let me open this up. Need a wrench. I'll just hold it right there. All right, now we'll do the same for the other side. Line her up. So before you drill, you're gonna wanna make sure it's nice and straight with the level. So I did that, and I marked my holes, and I just right now just lining it up, drilling it through. Alright. Now we can go ahead and take this tape off. Clean this bracket. Alright, now we can install the bracket. So you want to install the bracket before you put on the bike, because it makes life a lot easier. That's one. Come on, man. You can do it. Put this through. Now we just tighten these nuts right here, these nuts and bolts. It's gonna be a 10 mil. Let me go grab a 10 mil real quick. Nice and tight. Or now we get the other bracket. Get your washer. Actually, let's put these little bolts in. Trying to find a washer. Yeah, I guess I'll use this. So they don't give you you need like, 2, 4, 6, you need 8 little nuts and bolts, so they give you a lot of hardware, so I'm just using this hardware from the relocation kit. That took me a while. Slide the big bolt through. Tighten these guys. Nice and tight. Clean up the back a little bit before we put it on the bike. There we go. Alright guys, now let's put it on the bike. Alright, so this is the bracket I'm talking about. You can reuse it or you can use nuts and bolts. Vikingbags provide it, but I'm reusing it, so slide her out. Tighten her up real quick. And that's it. There she is. Super easy to install. The hardest part is trying to get your measurements, where you want to put it on the bike. But once you get that, the rest is just easy. So these bags here, you know, they're hardened bags. They're like fiberglass, and it's gloss black. Has that sparkly shine under the sun, you know, and it matches the bike perfectly. And this is the latch here to open the bag. So lift it up, and it opens out like this, like a clamshell type. And it opens, you know, there's a lot of open space right here, you know, easy loading. You know, I can put my hat in here, no problem. Close it up, lock it up like that, and it's nice and tight. I think it's about 1587 cubic inch of space in there, and you know, that's a lot of room for what I need. It also has this weather strip right here, this rubber gasket right here. It is weather resistant, so I wouldn't worry about my things getting wet, you know, when it's raining or snowing, you know, if it's parked outside. And close it up like that, put the latch down, and it's also lockable. The keys are right here. So that, like I said, they give you two keys to lock your bags. So now that it's locked, you know, I won't worry about anybody trying to get in there, trying to steal my stuff, you know. It's locked. Open up like that. And then boom. And the inside too, the inside is nice and soft. So even, you know, like when you're trying to close it, it gets caught right there sometimes. So you just gotta, you know, just try and work it in there, slam it in there, boom, and that's it. And it's pretty heavy too. Like, you know, it's built to last, dude. I mean, you know, Vikingbags did a very good job at it. So far, I can't wait to you know, test it out. I mean, I'm testing it out right now, but it's like 50 degrees here in Utah, but I love how it looks on the bike. It makes my bike 10 times better. Like, it just made the bike, you know. And I can't wait for it to be warm again outside. So thank you, Vikingbags.